$10,000. Sounds like a lot, right? It is. But what if I told you that achieving this savings goal in 2025 is entirely within your reach? The first step isn't about budgeting apps or high-yield savings accounts. It's about identifying and overcoming your personal money blocks. These are the ingrained beliefs and habits that unconsciously sabotage your savings efforts. Do you find yourself constantly spending impulsively? Do you avoid tracking your finances because it feels overwhelming or scary? Maybe you believe that saving money is impossible on your current income. Understanding these limiting beliefs is crucial to breaking free. Maybe you've witnessed financial instability firsthand, instilling a deep-seated anxiety around money. Or perhaps you've simply never been taught effective saving strategies. These are all legitimate hurdles, but they're not insurmountable. By acknowledging these blocks and actively working to dismantle them, you'll build the foundation for lasting financial success. Are there any recurring patterns you notice? Identifying triggers like stress-induced shopping sprees or emotional spending is key to breaking these habits. Consider working with a financial coach or therapist if you feel overwhelmed or struggle to identify these blocks independently. Remember, this is a journey of self-discovery, and it's okay to seek support. Once you understand the roots of your spending habits, you can start to implement strategies that counter them. Think about creating a visual representation of your progress, a savings tracker, or even a physical jar where you deposit cash. Seeing your progress can provide an immense sense of accomplishment and reinforce your commitment to your goal. By facing your money blocks head-on, you'll not only be better prepared to save $10,000, but you'll also develop healthier financial habits for years to come. Let's explore the exciting opportunities that await once you've conquered these internal barriers. It's time to think creatively and strategically about how you can generate extra income and make the most of your existing resources. This isn't about sacrificing your lifestyle. It's about optimizing your spending and exploring avenues to earn more. Consider side hustles that align with your skills and interests. Do you have a knack for writing? Freelancing could be a great option. Are you a skilled baker? Starting a small online bakery could generate extra cash. The digital landscape offers a plethora of opportunities for extra income. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Selling goods online through Etsy or eBay is another fantastic way to earn extra cash. Remember, even small amounts of extra income add up over time. Think about what you enjoy doing and how you could monetize your skills. Perhaps you could offer tutoring services, dog walking, house sitting, or even become a social media manager for small businesses. The possibilities are truly endless. These seemingly small adjustments can collectively contribute significantly to your savings goal. This stage isn't about drastic changes. It's about smart adjustments. By identifying both opportunities to earn more and areas to optimize spending, you're creating a powerful momentum towards your savings target. Let's move on to identify your real needs and distinguish them from your wants. This isn't about denying yourself pleasure, but rather about making conscious choices that align with your long-term savings goal. Needs are essential for survival and well-being: food, shelter, transportation, healthcare. Wants, on the other hand, are desires that enhance your life but aren't essential. A new video game? A fancy coffee? These are wants. It's easy to rationalize wants as needs, but clarity here is vital. This exercise will help you pinpoint areas where you can easily cut back on spending. For instance, brewing coffee at home instead of buying it daily can save a surprising amount of money over time. This provides invaluable insight into your spending habits, highlighting areas where you can make changes. Once you've identified areas to cut back, you can prioritize your needs and allocate more funds towards your savings goal. Flexibility is key to long-term financial success. Start by creating a realistic budget. This doesn't have to be overly complicated. A simple spreadsheet or budgeting app can do the trick. The key is consistency. Track your income and expenses diligently and review your progress regularly. Adjust your budget as needed, but maintain the discipline of tracking your spending. This is a guideline, and you may need to adjust the percentages to suit your individual circumstances, but it provides a solid framework for managing your finances. Focus on maximizing that 20% savings allocation. The power of automation shouldn't be underestimated. Experiment with different strategies and adjust your approach as needed. Consistency and discipline are key to success. Remember, every dollar saved gets you closer to your goal. Think of saving as a marathon, not a sprint. Be open to learning new things about personal finance, embracing new strategies, and seeking guidance when needed. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different approaches until you find what works best for you. This is a continuous process of improvement. Sharing your goals can also bring unexpected support and encouragement. Create a clear picture of what you'll do with your $10,000 once you've saved it. Will you use it for a down payment on a house? Invest in your education? Take a dream vacation? Having a concrete goal in mind will fuel your determination. Make it vivid and detailed. Imagine the feeling of accomplishment, the freedom, the possibilities. For instance, aim to save $1,000 every 3 months. Celebrate each milestone as you achieve it. These smaller victories will keep you motivated and on track. This is about creating a sense of steady progress. Physical representations like filling a jar with cash or creating a visual savings tracker can be particularly effective. Include images representing your goals and the things you want to achieve with your savings. This serves as a powerful reminder of your motivation and keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind. Accountability partners can provide valuable feedback and help you stay on track. This will keep you aware of your spending habits and help you identify areas for improvement. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. Life is dynamic, and your budget needs to reflect that. Regular checks also provide an opportunity to celebrate your progress. Small rewards can significantly impact your overall motivation. Take time to celebrate this milestone. You've proven to yourself that you can achieve significant financial goals. This is a moment to be proud of. Remember the journey and the lessons you've learned along the way. Remember, this is a stepping stone to further financial success. Building upon your success will reinforce your confidence and pave the way for even greater achievements. This is about building a strong foundation for your financial future. Remember, this success builds momentum. Let's continue this journey together.